Ready to lead impactful operational excellence projects with confidence? EMS Consulting Group is proud to introduce our new Coach Green Belt certification. This program combines the flexibility of online learning with the power of personalized coaching, giving you the tools and support to succeed. With your enrollment, you'll receive the following: a personalized onboarding session to align on goals and project scope, mid-course check-ins to troubleshoot and stay on track, a final project review and certification prep, flexible support when you need it most. Whether you're in biotech, medical devices, manufacturing, or another regulated field, this program is designed to help you apply lean principles in context and deliver measurable results. Seats are limited to ensure personalized attention, and we expect this program to sell out quickly. Launch pricing is available now, with an early bird discount through December 31st. Don't miss your chance to join this high-impact program as special launch rate. Enroll today and take the next step in your Lean Six Sigma journey. Visit emsstrategies.com for details.